And on we go. Clowns never become unsettling, in my opinion. What's the verb? The verb is become. It's a linking verb. Make sure you don't underline never. Never is not a verb in any form. It's an adverb. Okay, what does the becoming or never becomes? The clowns. So that's the subject. Clowns become or clowns equal what? Unsettling. So this is a word. PN or PA? PA. That's an adjective. Okay, 3 more. Onions are this cook's mortal enemy. What's our verb? It's are. What's the subject? Onions. Onions are or onions equal what? Well, this cook's mortal enemy. Which part of that is actually the simple version of the subject complement? Okay. If you said this cooks, you're actually not right, I'm afraid. Onions are the enemy. Whose enemy? This cook's mortal enemy. This is all descriptive information. This is the subject complement, enemy. And what part of speech is it? It's a noun, so it's a PN. One clue that this is not the noun, it has an apostrophe after it. An apostrophe S, never, the word is no longer a noun when we've got that there. It actually becomes an adjective. Okay, on we go. We have 2 verbs in this one. Suki felt grumpy until she felt the warmth of the spring sunshine. Okay, so what is my verb? Well, I have 2. It's the same verb both times. Felt and felt. Okay. Felt is one of those linking verbs that doesn't have to be a linking verb. It can also be an action verb. Okay. So in the first case, Suki felt grumpy. Is this word, felt, working like an equal sign? Suki equals grumpy. Yeah, it is. So it is a linking verb. Suki is my subject. Grumpy is my subject complement. What part of speech is it? It's an adjective. So this is a PA. Moving on, the second felt. Who did the feeling? She did. So is it working like an equal sign or is it working like an action or a physical sensation? She equals the warmth of the spring sunshine. No, that's not what this sentence is saying at all. She's saying she felt it like on her shoulder. So that's a physical tactile sensation. This is an action verb. So if I were having you label all of the objects and complements, you would go on and ask yourself direct object questions here and maybe even indirect object questions here. We're not doing that right now, but you would. Okay, one more. Sorry about the bell. My dog will never become a martial arts expert. Okay, what's the verb? If you said become, you're on the right track, but you're not done. Will become. The never we leave out, just like we left it out up here. Will become is the whole verb phrase. It is a linking verb. Who will do the becoming? My dog. Or in this case, not becoming. Dog will become, or dog equals what? Martial arts expert. Okay. So which part of that is the actual subject complement? It's expert. Martial arts is just telling us what kind. Okay. So, expert. Adjective or noun pronoun? It's a noun. So it is a predicate nominative.